Jupiter's intense radiation belts. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, and it also has one of the most dangerous environments in space. Why? Radiation. Lots of it. Let's talk about Jupiter's intense radiation belts, and why they matter. It starts with Jupiter's magnetic field. Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field of any planet, over 14 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field creates a giant magnetosphere, a bubble of magnetic energy around the planet. Inside that bubble, Jupiter traps charged particles from the Sun and from nearby moon Io, forming massive radiation belts. What are radiation belts? Think of them like donut-shaped zones of energy circling the planet. Jupiter's radiation belts are like Earth's Van Allen belts, but way more intense. They're packed with electrons, protons, ions, especially sulfur and oxygen from Io's volcanic eruptions. How intense are they? Radiation levels are 1,000x stronger than Earth's Van Allen belts, enough to fry spacecraft electronics, deadly to humans in seconds without serious shielding. Even NASA's Juno spacecraft avoids flying directly through the belts. Instead, it takes a highly elliptical orbit to dodge the worst of the radiation. Where do they come from? Jupiter's magnetic field traps solar wind and particles from its moons. Io, the volcanic moon, shoots particles into space. These get swept up and energized in the magnetic field. The result: belts of high speed, high energy particles spinning around the planet. What do they affect? Satellites and probes require special shielding. Moons like Europa and Io, bathed in radiation. Future missions must carefully avoid or protect against them. If we ever want to explore Jupiter's moons up close, we'll need radiation-hardened systems, and possibly underground habitats on moons like Europa or Ganymede. Fun fact: they create auroras. Those powerful particles also create massive auroras at Jupiter's poles, far more powerful than Earth's northern lights. The particles crash into Jupiter's atmosphere and light it up in ultraviolet and infrared wavelengths. So, what are Jupiter's radiation belts? They're gigantic, invisible traps of deadly energy, created by a massive magnetic field and fueled by the Sun and Jupiter's own volcanic moons. They're beautiful, powerful, dangerous. And they're a big reason why Jupiter remains one of the most extreme environments in the solar system.